Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. Got a new sledgehammer. Old sledgehammers, all of them, were destroyed in the Rancho fire a year and a half ago or so. So I decided to get a Fisker's and give it a test drive. Basically, it's because I like the head of it. So let's take a look at some basic sledgehammer and form. I don't use tires. I've done it before, but it's just not my favorite. I like striking the earth. So alternating grip. So I can tell you that this is supposed to have a vibration reducing core, and it does. Feels very good, powerful, very secure head. And hey, can I tell you, sledgehammering is just basic, fundamental. Get good with it. Notice, by the way, how you do the pullback. So once you've done your strike, so here's your basic, you've got your basic strike, right? So we're here, boom. Now, I remove the bottom hand, I pull back, boom. Puts the head in my hand, and remove the bottom hand, so you see that I'm actually doing the pullback. So, make your sledgehammer powerful and accurate. Make it fun.